Welcome to the fifth video in our series on Schedule Builder and making changes. Now, this particular video, we're looking at changing the location for a class. What we're talking about here today is making a permanent change to the room or location that is allocated to a class for their entire timetable. Now, the important thing to remember here is that you can't just allocate any class to a new location and create it in the Schedule Builder. The locations have to first be created under your cog, Admin Tools, Location Manager. So, for example, in this school, we can see that there are a number of possible rooms or locations for a class to go. But it could be the situation where a new demountable or a new location is now being built in the school. So what you would do there is you would click on Add New Location, and then you would enter in the details of that location, noting things like the various attributes in that space, learning space, and you would create the new location. However, in this particular example, what we are going to be looking to do is to change the location for one class to another room. Now, that might be the situation where a teacher prefers a particular learning space and would like that space for that class for the remainder of the year. So what we do there is move to our Teaching and Learning icon, the pencil, down to Subjects and Classes. That brings us to the Subjects and Classes page. Click on Schedule Builder. And again, we make sure we click on the right year that we're currently in that we want to be changing. Reminder, here are your various classes in the school, and across the top are all the various subjects that students might be taking in the school. So what we're going to do in this particular case, we might have a specialist learning space for music. So rather than being taught in the same location of 1BG for all their other KLAs, this class is going to a particular place in the school which has both the facilities and the various instruments that are needed for a music class. So again, all we do is click on the tile. Currently, this music class for 1Blue is located in the room 1BG. To change that room and location, simply click on the drop menu, and then we have various options of rooms to go to. Now, just for this example, we might say that room 5C has been set up with keyboards and with various other instruments, and so that is the location we want to move this particular class to. So we simply click on that, and you'll note that that has been changed. We update and close. The important thing you'll note here now is that allocation has been changed. But if you want that to then be regenerated into the Schedule Builder, you must save and generate.